Best Agile Tools for Project Managers in 2024. Agile Project Management is an iterative approach adopted for best Agile tools in project management, delivering them efficiently through continuous releases. It encourages just-in-time production and ramps up productivity at work. Due to a lack of knowledge and awareness about the Agile tools, several businesses still struggle with making a transition from a traditional method like a waterfall to an advanced method like Agile.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Several popular and high-paying Agile Management courses are trending and contributing to the job market. One of the best is PMI-ACP Agile Certified Practitioner. It carries a high level of professional integrity. Being one of the most popular courses available for Agile practitioners, it demonstrates one's knowledge in Agile with emerging methodology, tools, and techniques, principles, and practices. In this blog, we wish to ease things up for individuals who are not fully aware of the benefits of Agile. To know about the best Agile tools and its benefits, read on. List of best Agile tools for project managers. Jira. Jira software is one of the most popular Agile tools. It works really well with bug tracking and software product development. Jira software is the top choice for most organizations worldwide. From boards, workflows, and roadmaps to backlogs and various types of reporting charts, Jira software has amazing features. Users can get a free trial and use the software at $14 monthly subscription. Scrum. Suitable for all kinds of team sizes and designed for the Scrum, Scrum stands out as one of the best Agile tools available, offering a free platform for Agile developments. It boasts a wide range of features, including apps and integrations comprising 35+ licensed apps. It readily adapts to your business needs by offering online and offline virtual tools. For the beginners and explorers, it has a training option to help you make the most of this tool. Talking about the compatibility, Scrum is highly compatible with Linux, Windows, and Mac. Plus, it integrates with several apps like Excel, Box, Excel, Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. Handsoft. With a fast and responsive interface, Handsoft stands out as one of the best Agile tools, offering on-premise development capabilities to manage projects and enhance team collaborations. Its features include a live dashboard, report generation, and data analysis. It is known to have the best find report tools compared to other Agile tools on this list. It is highly scalable and allows you to monitor and track performances. Taiga. Taiga is a free and open-source project management platform that helps manage projects efficiently. It provides timely information about the progress of a project. When compared to other Agile tools, Taiga offers better functionality. It allows you to import from software like GitHub, Jira, Trello, and Asana. Scrumpy. Aiming to assist project managers in maintaining a backlog of user stories, Scrumpy stands out as one of the best Agile tools available for free. Scripted in Java, it offers a user-friendly interface for viewing stories in the long term. It helps you keep up with the expectations of your client stakeholders by assisting you with backlog maintenance on a daily basis. It is simple in design and easy to use. This tool fits well with your Scrum practices, and since it is 100% Java scripted, you can run it on your preferred platform, may it be Mac, Windows, or Linux. Key criteria for choosing Agile tools. Here are the key criteria for choosing Agile tools. Scalability and flexibility. One of the paramount considerations is evaluating a tool's scalability and its ability to adapt to the evolving needs of your project. A tool should seamlessly accommodate both small-scale initiatives and large, complex projects. User-friendly interface and adoption. An intuitive user interface is not merely a convenience but a strategic necessity. Choosing tools with a user-friendly design ensures swift adoption across your team, reducing the learning curve and maximizing overall productivity. Customization for tailored solutions. The level of customization a tool offers can significantly impact its effectiveness. Ensure that the tool provides customization options for dashboards, workflows, and reporting, allowing you to tailor it to the unique requirements of your project. Integration capabilities for seamless operations. Integration capabilities are vital for ensuring a cohesive project management ecosystem. A tool that seamlessly integrates with other essential tools, such as version control systems and communication platforms, enhances collaboration and data flow. Real-time collaboration and communication. Prioritize tools that facilitate real-time collaboration among team members. Features like instant messaging, comments, and collaborative editing contribute to faster decision-making and more efficient project execution. Comparison of Agile tools. Below are a few comparisons of Agile tools. Jira. Jira stands as an industry standard for Agile project management, offering robust features for sprint planning, backlog management, and detailed reporting. Its extensive capabilities make it particularly suitable for larger, more complex projects. Trello. Trello, with its visually intuitive approach, is an excellent choice for smaller projects. Its simplicity and visual appeal make it an ideal tool for teams embracing a more flexible and visual project management methodology. Asana. Asana provides a versatile platform for task management and project tracking. Known for its flexibility, it integrates well with other tools, allowing for a seamless workflow tailored to your project's unique needs. Monday. Monday. is celebrated for its user-friendly interface and extensive customization options. Beyond Agile, it supports various project management methodologies, making it a versatile choice for diverse project requirements.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.